This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the Solo 4 is on and visible. This prevents interruptions while changing the device name. Once powered and paired, choose the host device where you'll set the new name because the host writes the Bluetooth name. If you're using iOS, Android, Mac OS, or Windows, open Bluetooth settings now and locate Solo 4 in the paired devices list. This is the first actionable step that moves you from setup into renaming immediately. You'll now change the name on the host device. On iPhone, tap Settings, Bluetooth, then the letter 24D8 next to Beat Solo 4 and edit name. On Android, open Connected Devices, select Bluetooth, tap the device gear and choose Rename. Type a clear, short name so other devices recognize it quickly. Once you save or confirm, the phone writes that name to the headset's profile. If you use a Mac or PC, follow the equivalent Bluetooth device rename flow. You're almost done. Verify the new name shows up in the Bluetooth list on your host and any other paired devices. This confirms the change synced. If the name didn't update, unpair Solo 4 from the host, restart both devices, then pair again. This often forces the updated name to propagate. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Solo 4 following Beat's reset procedure. Doing so clears stale info and lets you reapply the new name successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.